Welcome back. My name's Jeff Penson, Dayton, Ohio Slingshot owners. But we're getting ready to change the rear angle drive fluid on a 2019 SL. Show you how easy it is to do on your own. And for the 2019, it calls owner's manual manufacturer's recommendations is 75W140. There's different ways you can do it. The recommended way is to actually remove the battery to get to the top fill on it, or you can use a syringe or some sort of pump. We're going to use the Easy Pack from Amsoil, and you basically clip the top, put it in the fill, and you can just squeeze it in and you don't have to remove anything, and you don't even have to jack it up to get to it. Everything's easy to access from the back end of it. And all it takes is an 8mm Allen wrench to remove the plugs and reinstall them. So, and then we'll show you how we're going to do that. All right. All right, now that we've drained the oil and getting ready to put the fresh back in, the drain plug will actually has a magnet on it. It will be common to have a little bit of metal shavings on it, but if you see any big chunks of metal on it, you need to have it serviced as soon as possible. So now we're getting ready to put the oil back in it. And those easy fill packs or Easy Packs from Amsoil makes it a little easier, because you can work it up in there between the battery and that angle drive. It holds a little less than a quart, around 3/4 of a quart is all it holds. And when you're putting it in, just keep putting it in as a good level surface. And that when it starts running out, that's basically where you just let it continue to drain till it quits dripping, comes to a slow drip, and it'll be level at the bottom of the hole, which is right where it needs to be. All right, and that's just how easy it is to change the rear angle drive into one of these. And if you want to, you can use any recommended weight oils. You can use the Slingshot. You can get a hold of your Polaris dealer, and that'll give you. You can purchase the recommended from them. But if you want to use any of the fluids that we've used in this video, there will be a link down below on how you can do that. And thank you.